Welcome to Hospitality School.
Hello and welcome to the official YouTube channel of www.hospitalityschool.com. In our today's episode, you will learn everything you need to know about
Must-have qualities of hotel front office staffs. As the front office staff is the important key point of a hotel, due to its major importance in revenue earning on sale of rooms. So, the employees of this department should have some quality in their personality, character and also in physical condition, and must possess the following things in their personality. Personal grooming. The most important thing is the personal grooming of every staff at front office. A front staff must possess the following practices. Dress must be neat and clean. Hair should be well cut and well groomed. Mild perfumes are to be used. Jewelry should include only one ring, and one necklace for ladies. Armbands, or metallic neckwears should be avoided. A charming personality with a smiling countenance. Personal hygiene. Maintaining personal hygiene is also the prime duty of every front office staff, as they have to directly contact with guests. To ensure cleanliness, and to make a positive image for his, or her hotel, a front office staff should maintain the following standard: maintaining clean and fresh-looking appearance, brushing teeth twice in a day, having shower regularly, shaving every day. Physical fitness. A front office desk staff has to perform by standing for 8/10 hours every day, during working hour, since there no seating arrangements are available for the hotel staffs as per hotel rule. Therefore, physical fitness is a must for every hotel staff, especially for front office staffs while standing on duty time. Please pause the video and click on this subscribe button. Smiling face. Front office staff should maintain cheerful attitude and smiling face while dealing with guests, to make them to feel free and comfortable. But the staff should never have a plastic smile. Memorizing skill. Good memory is one of the best supports in service life, and in front office this quality spotlights the deserving one amongst all the front office staff. By remembering the names and faces of the guests, a staff can promote his salesmanship. So, remembering guest names is a remarkable quality. Etiquette and manner. These are the essential quality that every front office staff has to possess, whether it is small or large hotel. Especially the star-level hotels are the meeting place of the elite of the society. In this level of environment, good manners, courtesy, and politeness must be maintained in service. Wishing guests as per time of the day, and using magic words to satisfy them are important traits of hotel staff. Honesty. Honesty is the best policy. This proverb deserves to be remembered during the whole service life. Without adherence to this basic quality, good traits in character will go in vain. If one does not have honesty in all activities, future career is all in a hoax. Apart from these qualities, as a hotel staff, all you are required to do are as follows. Control your mental stress, in all difficult situations or while dealing with a difficult guest. Make right decision and be ready for taking instant decision. Be specific, clear and correct while giving and taking information. Listen correctly, understand and give feedback. You must be confident in everything you are doing. If your expression shows that you do not have confidence in your activity, the guest will not feel comfortable. Never get the habit of procrastination in your job. So, do not delay, don't keep anything pending, do it now. In hotel job nothing should be kept pending. Explain all the amenities and facilities to the guests, and try to motivate them to use all the facilities of the hotel. Thus you can help in sales promotion, and earn more revenue for your hotel. Pay importance to guests' complaints and try to solve them as soon as possible. Don't try to escape or ignore the complaints, face it and solve it. Always coordinate with other departments to meet guests' requirements. Help the guest with all kinds of city information including travel and air support. Now, if you can achieve all the above essential aspects in your profession, then you are the best team in front office of a hotel. I believe if you have integrity and enthusiasm, then you can achieve all those things in your personality. And thus you can make a superior service to your guest and earn the name and fame for yourself and your hotel. Visit our website, hospitalityschool.com, to download training manuals, PowerPoints, videos and read 200+ hotel and restaurant management training tutorials. Attention, listen very carefully. To read this tutorial from website, click here. To watch food and beverage service training videos, click here. Again, to watch housekeeping training videos, click here. And last but not least, to watch front office training videos, click here.